Welcome. Today, we're diving into a fantastic feature on Telegram that allows you to view all the shared documents in a group chat on your PC. With the latest update, finding these files is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the official Telegram website. Once you've logged in, you're ready to go. Now, it's time to find the group where the documents are shared. Whether it's a team project, a study group, or a community chat, simply scroll through your chat list, or use the search bar at the top to locate the group. Once you've found it, click on the group to enter the conversation. Once you're in the group chat, look at the top of the window for the group's name. Click on it to open the group info. This section provides important details about the group, including its members and shared media. Now, here's the key step. In the group info menu, you'll see various options available. Look for the Files section and click on it. This is where you'll find all the documents that have been shared within that group. It's an incredibly useful feature that saves you time searching through endless messages. As you browse through the list of documents, you can easily spot what you need. Whether it's a PDF, a presentation, or any other file type, everything is neatly organized. When you find a document you want to view, simply click on it to open it. You can also download it directly to your PC for easy access later. To summarize the steps, open Telegram, find your desired group, click on the group's name to access its info, and choose the Files option. In just a few clicks, you'll have quick access to all the documents shared in your group chat. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things Telegram. Happy document searching.